just a weenie. Oh, I just crapped myself. Alright, anyways, we're gonna be showing you guys the code pad sequence of the fashion. Xbud just said, what the hell? Oh my boy, I just crapped myself again. Okay, anyways. You want your teleport gun? And, where did that fire music go? Oh, you already have one, okay. You have one locked like this, bud? Oh, what did you get? Oh. Okay, but we wanna go through here. Okay, I'm sorry about this, bud. But we wanna go through here. We wanna feed, like, the most stinkiest fish. This guy, how you keep it. Oh, yeah. You just hold down from his mouth and, yeah. Jeff. Jeffy boy! That Jeff is wild Jeff. Guys, watch out for Jeffs, by the way. I'm just saying that again. Yeah, this is the second part of last episode where we got the bait button. Do you wanna go through here? I'm gonna watch this little Jeffy boy. Next episode is gonna be showing off all the fashion secrets. So you wanna go up here, like at this area, like the fan bit. Yeah, most of the fish. And then once you're here, you wanna like pick up your teleport gun and like do that. I'm gonna wait until Big Spot gets here. Right, so you wanna like put your teleport gun like right here and pick up like the pointy bit until it gets through and then you just shoot it. The Big Spot. The Big Spot is a bit worse than dust. Below. Can that open the door? You got to open the door and you got to pick up like the green like orb there. And then just teleport through. See this? Oh, stop. Oh yeah, this is the bit. I have no. What is this? Jaw.exe. Oh, but hey, is that other one somewhere? I don't have one. I don't think this is one. Oh wait, no, I thought I was supposed to. Wait guys, this is a bit, this is probably some like war stuff. Oh wait, one spawned. So you want to pick up this thing, and then you want to get your teleport. I bought, like a squad. What is this? What is this thing? Alright, so how do we use it? I'm probably guessing you probably need like... I mean, if it lets me pick up, if it lets me get one. And then I'll probably like... I think we need a tutorial of how to do this. Get out! Oh yeah, probably. But guys, I think only works for special world, VIP fish on gear. Painfully expensive. Yeah. Yeah, so this is it. It's like a radar to show like all like the fishes, like in like the area. So yeah. I have no idea if it works on this fishing world, but mustard out. That's quite myself.